Okay, I'm running the game in full screen. So yes, apple is falling, and monkey is detecting my hand movement accordingly. So basically the game works as how we have coded. Let me skip one apple. We see whether apple goes missing. Yes, correct. Yes, when monkey eats the apple, there's a charm sound. Everything works perfectly, guys. So again, I'm very happy that the game works. Hello friends, we meet again in new video. Today we are going to look at how to do a game based on hand gesture. For this game, I have named this game as Hand Gesture Apple Hunt. Now let's look at how to do this game. First we need a backdrop. So for that I have imported my backdrop here, as how you can see. And then next we need two sprites. One is monkey and the other one is apple. So to get the sprites, we go to the sprite library. You can see here apple. We double click on the apple, and then next for the monkey, just type in monkey. And once you have the monkey in front of you, just double click that also. So once you have both on your backdrop, we can proceed with the programming. First we look at the monkeys program. All the codes are here, as you can see. First we need to declare a variable called hand. Hand will have the postnet function, and then when the program is started, I want the sprite monkey to go to this X and Y coordinate. After that, I'm going to switch on my webcam with a 70% transparency. After switching the webcam, we will also enable the postnet enable box for the postnet function. Once we are done with that, we will analyze our hand position based on this code here. If our hand is detected, I want the monkey to set its location based on our hand position. So here I am using the media pipe landmarks. Again, I'm going to show you how the media pipes landmark is gotten. For that, let me show you a figure. As you can see, in our code, I have used the position 1 and 8. For the position 1 and 8, it indicates the finger 1, our index finger, and the points number 8 is the landmark that I want. So once we are sure on which position we want to get the monkey to set its location, then we can move on to the another part of the code, where we want the monkey, if the sprite monkey is touching the apple sprite, we want to play a sound. Okay, for the sound, let me show you. We don't need cheese, we only need chomp. Okay, this is how the sound sounds. Next, we are done with the monkey's coding. We move on to the apple's code now. For the apple, first I want the apple to hide. I don't want any apple to be shown during the initial part of the game. And then after that, here I have declared a new function called fall. This fall resembles the apple, and this is how I have defined the apple to fall for this game. Okay, so first I want the apple to create a clone of itself, and then the sprite will show. So after that, I'm going to import a random number. Why we are importing the random number is because I want to use the random coordinates later on for the apple to appear. So here I'm using no as my variable for random coordinates from negative 200 to positive 200. So negative 200 to positive 200 is the x coordinate at the top of the screen here, as you can see. After that, I want the apple to go to this xy position. So number is again any random number which appears, integer, any random integer number that appears. So this number could be anything, and 155 is the y-axis position for the screen. After that, I want the fall function to happen. So next we move on to the while loop. While loop, I want the program to continuously loop itself until the program is stopped. So for that, once we have the apple appeared as how we have coded here shown, I want the apple to change its y position from here. I want the apple to go down slowly, right? So I'm using sprite.change y -5. -5 is the coordinate, each coordinate that will decrement itself. And then next I have used if statement to make a decision. If apple is touching the monkey, I want apple to be hidden. So that is why I have coded sprite.hide. And then again, once the apple is hidden, I want the fall function to execute, unless if let's say monkey didn't touch the apple, or apple falls on the ground. So that is why we have this function here. So when the apple falls at -180, it means that the apple has reached the ground. So the apple will hide itself, and then a new apple will fall from top. So basically the idea of this game is we will be using our hand movement to move the monkey so that it will catch the apple. Okay, now we try to run our program. We see whether our program works or not. So let me save the game. I'm going to run all. Okay, I'm running the game in full screen. So yes, apple is falling, and monkey is detecting my hand movement accordingly. So basically the game works as how we have coded. Let me skip one apple. We see whether apple goes missing. Yes, correct. Yes, when monkey eats the apple, there's a chomp sound. Everything works perfectly, guys. So again, I'm very happy that the game works. So yeah, the game works as how I expected it to work. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I see you on next video, guys. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye.